Hello, I am Jyoti Lakshmi. Since we have been learning about what is artificial intelligence and how it was founded, so we will learn about how will AI change education. Now, AI and education, let us take the first point here. According to McCarthy, the father of artificial intelligence, AI is the science of making intelligent machines. By intelligent machines, he meant that the software or machines that show the ability to learn and solve the problem just like human. So from this point, it is trying to explain that artificial intelligence is a science which can build intelligent machines, and those machines can solve problems. Those machines can learn just like humans, and they can solve problems sometimes even faster than humans and better than humans. There have been already many changes in our education system with the rapidly growing and changing technology. With the advancement of technology in our generation, it is seen that our education system is growing rapidly and it is also changing. Once upon a time, for teaching, a teacher and blackboard to write were required, but in this computerized era they are barely needed. We can see a vast difference in teaching patterns, from blackboard teaching to the websites that provide digital classes and online classes. So, in schools or colleges, the teaching method included a teacher and a blackboard to write or to explain a particular topic about subject to the students. But in this computerized era where technology is growing so fast, so such things are replaced by websites or digital classes where students can learn by just sitting at home. There are a quite number of reasons for which digital education was victorious. Now, there are many advantages why digital education is victorious. Now, let's talk about them. It was accessible to everyone who has an internet connection and a desktop. Now, everyone who has a proper internet connection and a desktop at home, so they can just sit and learn about various subjects they wanted to learn. There is no need to travel countries to learn the courses taught by the universities like Byju's, Coursera, Unacademy, edX. So, students don't have to travel to different countries to study to learn. They can just sit at home and apply to the various good courses like Coursera, Unacademy, edX, etc. And they can learn things by just sitting at home with the help of those courses, and that has become only possible because of the advancement of technology, because of AI. One can watch the videos n number of times when not understood, can be accessible at comfortable timings and whatnot. So those courses provide the materials and the videos required to learn. And if you don't understand particular video, or so you can watch those videos infinite number of times, until and unless you don't understand those topics. So it's easy that if you don't understand a particular thing, you can go through that video again and again, and until you don't understand, and then solve problems related to those topics. And that has become possible only because of these digital classes. The internet has created such an environment to reach the students, and artificial intelligence is not less any compared. It is not only going to reach students but can also read their emotions on their face. Now, AI is such a technology. It has been advancing so much that with the help of that science, they can all the emotions of the students can be read, and they have been reaching the students very easily, and that hasn't possible only because of the artificial intelligence. Many articles say teaching offline is far better than that of online, because teacher can understand the mood and the environment of the class and can change the way accordingly. This is not possible in online classes. So from this point we can see that if we go through many articles, there will be many people who will be saying that offline classes are better. Everyone will prefer offline classes over online classes, because in such a situation you can get direct contact with the teacher, you can ask your doubts to the teacher directly. But such things are not possible when you are in an online class. But as the things are growing rapidly, we can also see that in certain courses you can directly contact with the teacher who is teaching you online. But artificial intelligence is all about understanding and solving a problem like a human brain. One of the best example is social humanoid Sophie. So from this point it is trying to say that with the help of artificial intelligence, a particular system that is built with the help of artificial intelligence, that system can solve problems, think like human, and they can solve problems like human. So when you come with the recent examples, you will see that Sophie, a robot which is a social humanoid, and that robot was built with the help of AI, which can think like a human, which can act like a human, and which can solve problems like a human. Though we came a long way in changing teaching patterns, the students need to learn about artificial intelligence, which is ruling the world and going to change many aspects and technology. From this point, it is trying to say that um in our schools we are never taught about what is artificial intelligence, but we have seen that in this present day world things are excelling so much, things are advancing so much. So it is important that the students get to know about what is artificial intelligence in the early stage of their school, so that they will gain knowledge more about that field, and they will start learning about that particular topic very early, which will help them in their future. AI can make it easy for teachers to correct the test papers and allows them to spend more time with the students. Now, with the help of AI, students can also correct the test papers. The teachers can also correct the test papers of the students, and this hasn't possible only with the help of AI. Teachers can change the pace according to the students' capability, and AI has more and more technologies in understanding humans' emotions. Now with since AI technology has the capability to understand humans' emotions, so the teachers can change the pace according to the students' capability, and this has been possible with the help of AI. Also, it can lower the level of teaching according to the student's will and understanding, provided personalized training. Since AI can read human emotions, so with the technology built with the help of AI, the the level at which the students should be taught by the teacher can also be maintained, because the AI system can read the emotions, and those things will be maintained with the technology, with the help of AI. AI uses graphics and 3D models to explain what's happening inside any machines, while a teacher must explain by drawing it on the board. By just some of the time is consumed. Now, artificial intelligence uses graphics and 3D models to explain what's happening inside any machine that is being built, and it takes less time. While a teacher must explain by drawing it on the board, and everything is not possible to draw in the board and explain about the deep understanding of a particular topic by just drawing it on the board, and in that case, AI has always been doing better. There is no doubt to say that AI is reaching students globally. Since uh, AI has been playing a very important role, and it has started reaching students everywhere around the world. Also, it is vital to expose students to artificial intelligence, which is going to be tomorrow's reality. Since AI is playing a very important role in every field, so it is very important that students should know about it very soon in their early school stage, so that they come to know about it, explore about it, and they learn the importance of AI in their school. They should be imparted with the knowledge that AI is very important. It is going to be tomorrow's reality. They should be explained things about that in their school life, so that they can prepare it from then, from their school life. So I hope you have gained a lot of knowledge from the slide. Uh, so keep start learning now. Start gaining knowledge about. Start exploring about artificial intelligence from now on.